Hey there, young explorers! Welcome back to another wild adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about the fastest animal on Earth, the cheetah. Get ready to sprint into some wild cheetah facts. Meet the cheetah, a magnificent feline known for its fascinating speed. These sleek cats are like the race cars of the savannah. But how fast can a cheetah actually run? Let's find out. First, let's learn a little bit about cheetahs, like where they live. Cheetahs can be found in parts of Africa, and there's a small population in Asia. Scientists estimate there are fewer than 8,000 African cheetahs in the wild today, and that there may be fewer than 50 Asian cheetahs left in the world. Did you know cheetahs used to live in Europe and North America too? Around 10,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age, scientists believe that these two populations went extinct, leaving only the Asian and African populations we know today. But the remaining cheetah numbers have drastically dwindled in more recent times. Scientists believe there's been an overall decline of 50% in the last 4 decades. Cheetahs can be found in various habitats, from grasslands to savannas and even some mountainous regions. Now, let's talk about what cheetahs eat. They are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Their menu mostly consists of small to medium-sized ungulates, which are hoofed animals, such as impalas, gazelles, and antelope. This is where their incredible speed comes into play. A cheetah's speed is its best adaptation for survival. When it comes to hunting, cheetahs have their own special technique. They stalk their prey very carefully, getting as close as possible. Then, in a sudden burst of speed, they chase their target, relying on their incredible acceleration to catch it. The cheetah's body is made for this. It has strong hind legs to help propel it forward and accelerate to speeds up to 70 miles per hour. Their long tail acts like a rudder, like on a boat, to help them turn and maneuver whichever way their prey goes. And while cheetahs are fast, so are their prey. These little gazelles and antelopes have been documented to reach similar speeds as the cheetah. And while cheetah's speed is astonishing, the prey gets away about 50% of the time. Cheetahs have a strong family bond. A mother cheetah takes great care of her cubs and teaches them how to hunt and survive in the wild. Cheetah families stick together for about a year or so until the cubs are ready to venture out on their own. Have you ever wondered why cheetahs have spots? Well, their spots act as camouflage. Camouflage is an important adaptation that many different species of animals use to survive. Cheetahs may be the fastest land animal on Earth, but that doesn't prevent them from facing major challenges of their own. They are a species that faces both natural and human threats. One natural threat is that there are many other predators that share their home. Cheetahs are always losing their meals to lions, hyenas, and other big predators that steal their food away. Cheetahs also struggle with a low gene pool. This means that many of the wild cheetahs that are around today are related, which makes it unsafe for them to breed. Genetic mutations can increase a cheetah's risk for disease, making it even harder for them to increase their population numbers. Humans also have a major impact on cheetahs. Habitat loss is the destruction of cheetahs' wild homes. Much of their natural habitat is being converted into farmlands and human cities. When cheetahs are found around human civilization, this can lead to illegal poaching and hunting of the cheetahs. Like other big cats, cheetahs struggle to have a place of their own. However, there are dedicated people working to protect these beautiful animals and ensure their survival. Conservationists are collaborating to create protected areas, raise awareness about the importance of cheetah conservation, and implement strategies to minimize human and wildlife conflict. By supporting these efforts, we hope wild cheetah populations will recover.
Time to review. The cheetah, or Echinonectes jubatus, is vulnerable and lives in savannas and grasslands. Their diet consists of various ungulates, and their main threats are habitat loss and genetic mutation.
Remember, my friends, cheetahs are the champions of speed, but they need our help too. Let's work together to be their voices and protect these incredible creatures and their habitat. Thanks for joining me on this speedy adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more about animals here in the Critter Corner. See you next time!